Can money solve all your problems? The truth, no one tells you. The other way to say, why money won't solve all your problems until you fix this first. They say, money solves all problems. If that's the case, why do millionaires suffer from depression, anxiety, stress, health issues, and even self-doubt? Let me share a truth that will shock you, but also sets you free. Yes, money solves all problems. Yes, money solves survival problems. Let's be honest. If you're struggling to pay your rent, money can solve it. Hungry, money gets you food. Stuck in a low-income job, money opens doors. Money solves problems temporarily. Second, but money cannot solve internal problems. I once coached a person who was earning a minimum of 5 lakhs per month. Yet he told me, I'm like a failure now. I don't even get sleep at nights. Why? Because the real problem were not in his wallet. It was in his mind. Third, money magnifies who you really are. It just magnifies. If you are insecure, more money gives you bigger insecurities. If you are generous, more money makes you a blessing. Money is not a solution, it's a magnifier. Fourth, the root of most problems is a broken belief. Fear, guilt, unworthiness. Until you reprogram your subconscious mind, you will sabotage your finances, your relationship, and even your health. And that's why no matter how much money you earn without mind power, you will still feel stuck. So the real question isn't how much money you make. Are you mentally programmed to receive, manage, and multiply it with peace? Comment below what's one problem you thought money could fix but didn't. Like, share, and comment for more truth bombs that transform your thinking and your life.